Alright, here it is. It says close all the doors and then open the driver's door and press the unlock button on the driver's door while it is open. And insert the key into the ignition. Alright, so I'm going to open up the door. And I'm going to push the unlock button while it is open, which it now is. And I'm going to put the key. Now I'm to turn the key ignition from off to run 8 times within 8 seconds, with the 8th time ending up in run. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, leaving it in run. If the door locks do not cycle, then it was done incorrectly. You must start over by removing the key and beginning from step 1. Ruh-roh. Alright, there it is. Doors are shut. Open the driver's door and push the unlock button. Alright, there it is. Now insert the key. That's 8 times within 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, I did it wrong. I did it 9 times and I didn't leave it in the run position. Now let's see if I can do it again. Key out of the ignition. Door open. Push the unlock button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, it did it, and I did it right. Alright, now what? Within 10 seconds, press any button on the keyless remote to be programmed. Oops, it's already too late. Door locks will cycle again to confirm program. Repeat step 4. Oh, that's a good one. Alright. Key is off. Open the door. Hit the ignition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I did it wrong again. Unlock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hit a button. Whoa! It works. Now what? Turn the ignition to off. Whoa! Yeah, it works with the truck too. Go me, I did it. Now I'll program my other one. Looks like it's working. Key fobs are working. If not, now let's see if they work. Yeah, now they're working.